How to enable automatic regeneration in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this option. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this content option. Simply tap on content. Now here on the top, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So here in your settings interface. Now slowly scroll down. Here at the second last option, you'll be able to see enable automatic regeneration. So simply tap on it. So what will it do? So this will automatically regenerate and even remove your backgrounds automatically. So this is an AI feature that is integrated in this application. So it is very useful. Now if you go back, it has been applied. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.